Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a flex hose. First, carefully inspect the damaged area to understand the extent of the problem. Look for visible cracks, punctures, or severe kinking. A small pinhole leak might be repairable, but extensive damage often requires replacement. Always turn off the water supply to prevent further issues and ensure your safety before proceeding with any repairs. For a quick, temporary fix, you can often use waterproof repair tape. Clean and dry the area thoroughly, then wrap the tape tightly around the leak, overlapping by at least 1/2. For slightly larger holes, a rubber patch secured with a hose clamp can work. Remember, these are short-term solutions to stop the immediate leak, giving you time to plan a permanent repair or replacement. For a more permanent solution, you'll typically need to cut out the damaged section of the hose. Then, install a new hose mender or fitting. Make sure the new fitting is compatible with your hose's diameter, for example, a 3/8-inch fitting. Securely attach the new parts, ensuring all connections are tight. This method provides a durable repair that should last for a long time. Sometimes, repair isn't the best option. If your flex hose has extensive damage, multiple leaks, or shows signs of significant wear and brittleness, it's usually better to replace it entirely. A new hose provides greater reliability and peace of mind, especially for critical applications. Investing in a new hose can prevent future, more costly water damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.